Okay, so this is fun. At least every day when I come home from work, it's like a massive surprise to see what they've done today. I know that the digger was due, so let's have a look what they've done. Oh my god. So I've literally just walked around the corner of the house and we have a digger and a dumper and lifted slabs and holes and all sorts. So foundations are starting this week. It was actually the joiners that were here last week that were actually taking down the garage and the existing extension, and now we've got the digger team, but I think I'm going to nickname them time team because I think that's quite funny. Hopefully they don't find anything underneath here because that would be a bit more of a nightmare. But no, very happy. I feel like I want to learn how to drive this before the end of it. I don't know whether they'll let me, but I feel like every day they are making huge progress. Tomorrow I'm at home as well because it's my birthday, so I will have the absolute joys of probably making the builder's tea. So let's see what the weather's like. Might go out. Yeah, really excited. It's nice to see it moving. So yeah. So we're now at the end of week 2 and this is where we're at. So we've got the foundations dug by the looks of it. I don't know if this is the final depth or whether they'll need to come a bit more. It looks like they've got down that side to finish as well. There's been some issues with the pipe work and trying to figure out where all the pipe runs go and what they are. There's been a pipe that we've taken out that isn't connected to anything, so it is just sort of double checking, making sure that what we're removing and what we're keeping is right, and we're also replacing some pipe as well. So yeah, so it's required a bit more thinking this week, I think, than just fully demolition. But yeah, really pleased with how things are coming on.
Morning everybody, it's bright and early and it is a foundation day. I can actually hear a truck reversing down. I hope it's not the cement truck because they are earlier than the builders. So, but we are dug out. We got a lot of rain overnight, which hopefully won't make too much of an issue, but looks like we do have a little bit of standing water they probably want to just clean out, but oh no, we've got a delivery turning up. Probably need to go and tell them where to put stuff. getting it out of that bit there, isn't it? But that's it's just still flowing it backwards here as he does it. Yeah.
How much of a difference is it?
So if you all follow us on Instagram, you will be
That bit taken off there is the drain, all connected back up.
Today, and it's looking lovely.
Midweek 3.
We're also putting gravel down for us as well, so it's not a massive mud bath.
We're all fenced off. And it's
Because the paving won't really be going back down.
concretey
It won't be going back down properly anyway, because we will replace it at some point, but it's just one of those things where I don't want to throw it away,
Diggers out the front.
because I don't know how long we're going to be without a patio for. But there's no point in spending loads of time trying to put the paving slabs back down when they're not nice. We don't really want them, but it would just save us having a mud bath for a back garden, as you know it's going to get wetter before it gets drier again. So yeah, gravel it is for the time being, and then maybe a path of slabs, but that'll just be something that we'll do ourselves. But I'm honestly, again, I know I keep saying this, but I am very impressed with their work and how quick it's coming along. And yesterday was a complete washout, so I know they didn't get as much done as they wanted to. They just got a last little bit of digging where the garage door is going, that they'd not done yesterday because of all the rain. But they came really early today and cracked on and got it done, and now everything is poured. So yeah, I'm really happy. Kind of feel a bit nervous having my phone over the lake of concrete. It's like one of those what if moments, like what if I just drop my phone now? Then what? But yeah, really excited. So it's going to be, oh sun, it's going to be really good to see how things progress over the next few days. The build is truly beginning, and I feel like the demolishing aspect is all over. I could be wrong, who knows? But yeah, so far so good.
So guys, we're at the end of day 14. They've actually had the day off today because we laid the foundations yesterday. I say we because I definitely did help. Hopefully you can see that in the video. I didn't do a lot, but they definitely needed a bit of help dragging it around, so I came and grabbed a shovel and helped along. And we start with bricks tomorrow, so I think we will end the video here and start the next one with the bricklayer. But exciting times laying those first bricks tomorrow. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next one.